Imagine you are in a quiet room. You have a cup of tea. It is early morning. You look at the window. You think about your life. You think about your English. Do you feel a little pain in your heart? When you speak English, do you feel small? Do you feel afraid? Many people feel this way. It is called language anxiety. It feels like a wall between you and the world. But I have a secret for you today. You do not need to speak perfectly. You only need to choose your voice. Today, we will talk about your purpose. That is the big why. Why do you speak English? When you know your purpose, the fear goes away. You stop trying to please everyone. You start to be yourself. I will help you find the right voice for you. Is it for work? Is it for friends? We will find the answer together. Let us start with the first choice. Some people need English for work. They need it for school. This is the formal voice. Imagine a man named Marco. Marco works in a big office. He is very good at his job, but in meetings, he is silent. He thinks his English is bad. He is afraid of making a mistake. One day, Marco decides to change. He chooses the formal voice. He does not learn every word. He only learns the words for his job. He learns how to say, "I agree," or "Can you explain that?" He uses the Goldilocks Zone. Do you know what that is? It is a special place. It is not too hard. It is not too easy. It is just right. Marco stops trying to learn 100 words a day. That is too hard. He learns 3 words. That is just right. Now, Marco speaks in meetings. He is not perfect, but people understand him. He found his purpose. His purpose was to be a leader at work. Now, let us look at the second choice. This is for friends. This is for fun. Imagine a woman named Elena. Elena loves to travel. She wants to make friends in different countries. But Elena feels sad. She thinks she sounds like a robot. She sounds like a school book. "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine, thank you." Elena does not want to sound like a book. She wants to sound like a friend. She chooses the casual voice. She learns how to say, "Hi," or "That is cool," or "What do you think?" She uses intrinsic motivation. That is a big name for a simple thing. It means the fire inside. Elena does not learn English because she must. She learns because she wants to talk to people. When she talks to a new friend at a cafe, she does not worry about grammar. She laughs. She uses her hands. She is happy. Her English is alive. So, how do you choose? Think about your day. Where do you use English? If you are a student, you need the formal voice. You need to be clear. You need to be serious. If you are a traveler, you need the casual voice. You need to be friendly. You need to be warm. You can have both, but start with one. Think about a small child. A child does not learn everything at once. A child learns what they need. If the child is hungry, they learn the word for apple. If the child wants to play, they learn the word for ball.
This is autonomy. It means you are the boss. You are the boss of your learning. You do not have to follow a boring book. You choose the words that help you. When you are the boss, you feel strong. When you feel strong, you learn fast. Let us look at one more story. A student named Sarah is in a group project. There are 4 people in the group. They all speak different languages. They must use English to talk. Sarah is nervous. She wants to sound smart. She tries to use big words from a dictionary, but no one understands her. The group is confused. Sarah stops. She takes a breath. She thinks, "What is my purpose?" Her purpose is to finish the project. She switches her voice. She uses simple words. She says, "I will do the writing. You do the pictures. Is that okay?" Everyone smiles. They say, "Yes." Sarah used the mastery pillar. Mastery is not about knowing everything. Mastery is about using what you know very well. Sarah was a master of simple English, and it worked. We have talked about many things today. We talked about the formal voice for work. We talked about the casual voice for friends. We talked about your purpose, your fire inside, and being the boss of your English. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are just signs that you are trying. Here is your small step for today. Get a piece of paper or use your phone. Write down one sentence. I choose the formal voice because, or I choose the casual voice because. For example, I choose the casual voice because I want to talk to my cousins in London. That's it. Just one sentence. When you write it down, it becomes real. You are now on your journey to mastery. Please, join our community. We are all learners here. We are all peers. Subscribe to this channel for more quiet moments and big lessons. Thank you for listening to my voice. I hope I can help you find yours. Be kind to yourself today. Goodbye.